How to pair Carrier AC with your smartphone. App setup and remote access tutorial. Step 1. Install the app Carrier Connect Thermostat. iOS Carrier Connect Thermostat. iOS Android. Infinity Systems use the Carrier Home Smart Home app. Step 2. Create an account. Open the app, tap Register, enter your email, confirm via email link. Step 3. Pair your thermostat in the app. Select Set up new thermostat or add device. Follow prompts to scan the QR code on the thermostat or use Bluetooth link. Choose your 4G Wi-Fi network. Enter password. Step 4. Finalize and verify. App will show your thermostat on the dashboard. Try basic controls. Adjust temperature. Fan set as schedule. Monitor indoor air quality and runtime.